If your knees, hips, or low back hurt when you run, this might be why. Not speed, not mileage, not age. Overstriding is a silent stress multiplier most runners over 50 never see coming. Hi, I'm Ralph, the Ageless Runner. Thank you for being here today. This is episode 3 in my Running Form After 50 series, where we focus on mechanics first, fitness second. In the last episode, we talked about cadence and why increasing step rate often reduces injury risk. But here's the truth most runners never hear. Cadence alone does not fully fix overstriding. Today we're going to unpack why. Overstriding happens when your foot lands too far in front of your center of mass, often with a straighter knee and a braking action at contact. This creates 3 mechanical problems. Number 1, increased impact loading at the knee and hip. Number 2, higher braking forces that slow you down every step. And finally, more joint stress per mile, even at easy paces. Research consistently links overstriding with increased joint loading and braking impulse. And here's the part many runners miss. You can be overstriding even when running slow. Overstriding usually isn't a bad habit, it's a compensation. As we age, hip extension decreases. Ankles and tendons become stiffer, ground contact time increases, and push-off power declines. Instead of pushing backward efficiently, the body often adapts by reaching forward. That reach feels smoother, it feels controlled. But biomechanically, it shifts load away from muscle and tendon and towards joints. Here's where research gets very clear. When runners land farther ahead of their body, braking forces rise and joint loading increases, especially at the knee. If you're enjoying this episode, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you. Studies show that longer strides increase peak knee extension moments, and knee extension means the knee is more straight and landing, which increases the backward bending force on the knee joint and raises stress on cartilage and connective tissue. Studies also show that greater braking impulse is associated with higher injury risk. And finally, studies show that runners with a pronounced overstride experience higher tibial shock, and tibial shock is the vibration and impact force that travels up the shin bone at foot strike, and higher levels are linked to stress fractures and joint irritation. This matters more after 50 because connective tissues tolerate repetitive loading less efficiently and take longer to recover. You're not weaker, you're just less forgiving to mechanical errors. Increasing cadence often shortens stride length. That's why cadence is such a powerful lever. But here's the limitation. You can increase cadence and still overstride if your posture is collapsed, your hips sit behind your feet, your upper body is straight or subtly leaning backwards. Cadence changes timing. Overstriding is also a body position problem. Research on gait retraining shows cadence changes help, but posture and alignment must also be addressed for full mechanical benefit. Now, how do you spot overstriding without doing a video analysis? Well, there's 3 simple cues runners over 50 can use. Number 1 is sound. Loud or slappy footfalls in front of you suggest braking forces. Listen to your knees. Front of knee soreness after easy runs is a common warning sign. And then there's effort mismatch. If easy runs feel harder than expected, braking may be stealing energy from every step. You don't need a lab, your body already tells the story. So overstriding is rarely intentional. It's a compensation pattern. Cadence helps, but cadence alone doesn't solve it. To reduce joint stress after 50, you need better step timing and better body alignment over your feet. That brings us to the missing piece. In episode 4, we're going to focus on posture and forward lean, how subtle alignment changes can eliminate overstriding without running faster and without forcing your stride. This is where everything finally connects. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Again, I'm Ralph, the Ageless Runner. I'm here to help you run smarter, go longer, stay ageless. Thank you.